OTEC International plans an ocean thermal energy conversion or OTEC plant off Honolulu's leeward coast. The environmentally friendly plant will provide electric power to the Hawaiian Electric Company grid. OTEC International's goal is to deliver the most OTEC power for the lowest capital cost. The company is driven by a triple bottom line: achieve good investment return, benefit humankind, respect the environment. Planned for about 5.5 miles off Oahu's Kahe Point, the low-profile platform will have little visual impact to residents and visitors along the coast. Since 2000, OTEC International has invested heavily to optimize decades of research by OTEC pioneers J. Hilbert Anderson and James Anderson. OTEC International has exclusive license to the Andersons' work. The power cycle is ready for commercial operation. OTEC leverages the energy stored in the world's largest solar collector, the ocean. The technology uses the temperature difference between warm surface water and cold, deep ocean water to generate power. OTEC is optimal in the world's tropical and subtropical zones. Hawaii is a perfect fit. OTEC can provide the islands with firm baseload power, generating a significant amount of renewable energy for the state, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. OTEC International's design uses a closed-loop cycle. Warm surface water is drawn in and pumped through heat exchangers to boil a working fluid. The gas expands in turbines to drive generators, which produce electricity. Cold, deep sea water flows up a pipe from 3,000 feet below, where the water temperature is always about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This cold seawater passes through condensers to cool the gas back to liquid state, thus completing the cycle. Then, the process repeats, generating significant renewable energy. The seawater used in the process is returned to the ocean at the appropriate thermal gradient. The water settles to a depth where temperature and density match. The modular design of the OTEC International Power Plant allows for uninterrupted operation. The equipment is housed in a floating spar, similar to those used in the offshore oil industry. But unlike offshore oil rigs, the OTEC International plant does not bore into and extract anything from the seabed. The spar is simply connected to the ocean floor at about 3,000 feet using a 12-point mooring system. The mooring anchors will be set into the seabed to ensure strength and survivability. The electricity generated by this innovative process will be carried via power transmission cable from the platform to shore. It will connect to Hawaiian Electric's Kahe Point Station switchyard and ultimately to the utility grid. The transmission cable will be suspended in a way that will not cause wear from platform motions or damage the seafloor. In 2011, the American Bureau of Shipping granted OTEC International the first approval in principle for its 25 and 100 megawatt moored spar designs, attesting to both the experience and the sound engineering of the OTEC International plans. OTEC International holds 4 patents and has 9 pending for proprietary designs and components. OTEC International has not relied on government funding to reach this point in the project. Development has been completely financed by the ABLE Foundation. For more information, please visit OTEC International's website at www.oteci.com.